Thank everybody for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. Y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it is. Y'all see what we got going on, man. I'm in a very, very Halloween spirit. See, I got somebody here with me. Tell them who you are, who you dressed up as.
So no, it looks kind of bad with the pink on, but it's alright. I like it, personally me. It's from a kids series. It's a movie. Everyone liked it. It's over now, kind of. But I like it. My character's name is Genu, and I like it personally.
Okay, so he's Genu. He's Genu from the anime, the 3D anime. What's the anime called?
It's called K-pop Demon Hunters.
K-pop Demon Hunters. So let's start there. Now let's fast forward. Y'all know what I do on my channel, y'all. Hang on. Y'all don't see what I'm doing. I'm letting y'all know. You gotta see what I'm doing while I'm doing it. You know what I mean? Y'all gotta see. You know what he holding is not no milk, but what we got is the side patch. I'm bringing you guys some heat today. Something you do not see every day. Right now, let's bust this box open and give you guys some real rare pieces right now, man. Let's get to this box. Let's get it. You got that royalty blade. You got that. Y'all know what I do. I don't go too much further without my trusty gangrene blade. Now this hat right here, I gotta promote the homie, my man Leon over at the Capologist. He has crazy heat. And again, it's Halloween, man. So let's do your homework when it's Halloween. I had to pick him up. You know, I had to be on my my fatherly duties for the Halloween. And we are on a countdown, ladies and gentlemen. I am actually moving super soon. So we are counting down, man. We're trying to enjoy some of the last days of the day, but I'm gonna be here. So as I open this box, I'm like, Leon, I hate to cut your man, split him right in half, but I guess we got to, right? We gotta split him right in half. I'm actually gonna let my son do the honors, ladies and gentlemen. Go ahead. I'll let you present to him. First of all, I want you to also let me know what you think as you're doing this. So go ahead. It's all on you right now, kiddo.
Alright. So the packaging is kind of mid on this right now.
Packaging is mid, okay. The packaging is mid, Leon. What you feel about the fitted though? How is the hat heat rock? Hold on. We got before he go anywhere. Hold on. We got the pen. He's included the pen. The capologist, and you know, okay, it looks like dice. Looks like dominoes. Excuse me. Those are actually the valves. The valve that his logo holds. Here we go. Those things right there when he's making the concoction. That's what those are. As you guys can see, the bottom of those is two different shades. Now let's get straight to what the people want to see. And what do you tell them? 2 words after you throw it up.
Presenting.
Happy Halloween, suckers. This right, yo, first of all, let me check this out. The embroidery it's iconic. Last year he did one of these and I missed it. I was so sick that I missed it because I didn't think it was gonna be gone like that. But what you think about it? How you feel about this?
This is true Halloween spirit right here.
True Halloween spirit. That's exactly what it is. Yeah, this is heat rock. This one might gotta go on today. As you guys see, the witch's brew, man. We got a witch right here cooking it up. You see what she's doing, the concoction, the pumpkin in the middle. That new era sign, banging, sticking out like it's supposed to be. Y'all know how I like mines whenever I like mines and whenever they come out right. There is no side patch on this. I'm actually not mad about it. If I would have seen like a little witch on a broom or something, that kind of would have been fire. Or if I would have seen a pumpkin on the side, kind of would have been fire. But I think he was going for the purest look on this. Don't quote me, but I don't think his original one had a side patch at all. His original one was just a black fitted. And I've been really fighting the black because I have so many black hats. But ladies and gentlemen, I cannot say this to you enough. Y'all see what it is, man. The purple brim, the lime green UV, the black liner, so you can wear this all night long if you sweating or you chasing people down like Michael Myers. You know what I mean? You can rock this anytime. You got the green button at the top. Y'all got to let me know, is this heat or is this weak right now? Y'all got to let me know, dogs. This is a two-tone joint, so again, you don't see the two-tone pieces too often. Even what I got is not a two-tone. You know, I mix it up here and there. I've been around for a while. So, you know, we in a Halloween spirit. Speaking of chasing them down like Michael Myers, man. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? If you got yours, when you got yours, hopefully you got yours. Or you got the, trick or treat, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you guys for tuning in. We appreciate you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments if that fitted hat is heat, is it weak? And what you want to say to the people, man?
Peace, love, Connor forever.
We'll catch you guys on the next one.
Be careful.